Natasha, never leave your love, Aisha, no, Natasha, I got a big sack for Natasha, filled with love and affection. Yeah, mommy and Bubwala Aisha, Domi and Kutoza Mata Natasha. I got a big sack for Natasha, filled with love and affection. Mommy and Bubwala Aisha, Domi and Kutoza Mata Natasha. Aisha, don't forget that someone is gonna love you too. I know this. And Natasha, don't forget, because I wanna let you know you're my wife to be. And I love you. Yeah. Baba Melody, don't sing the word.
Yes. Oyinbola Donsale, and that was a very wonderful way of introducing himself into the studios of 102.7 Tolong Radio. All right, so today, like I said, it's going to be a very special edition because for the first time, first time interview, but for the first time on Tolong Radio, together with James Wu. Yeah, James.